Are you doing these morning mistakes that secretly crush your testosterone levels? Most men have no idea how their daily routine is silently lowering their energy and confidence. Mistake number 1. Skipping breakfast. Your body needs protein and healthy fats in the morning to start testosterone production. Mistake number 2. Too much caffeine. 1 or 2 cups are fine, but excess caffeine raises cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone. Mistake number 3. Checking your phone first thing. That flood of notifications increases stress and lowers focus. Take 10 minutes for deep breathing instead. Mistake number 4. Lack of sunlight. Your body makes vitamin D from sunlight, one of the most important nutrients for testosterone health. Fix these habits today, and your energy, focus, and confidence will start improving fast. Subscribe HealthShift Pro for more real science tips to boost men's health naturally. Thanks for watching.